What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So one thing that I've talked about in the past, I've made a couple of videos on, is the potential for a Fed buyback, right? And being able to buy back XRP. And I think buybacks in general is a huge deal, right? Where you can see that a company believes that a certain stock or believes that their thing is going to be more valuable, so they buy back what they own, right? And this is what's crazy is that when we talk about a Fed buyback, the Fed doesn't own anything. Majority of retail traders own all of it, right? Institutions are getting involved as well, but that's a different story of how you can buy back XRP because of the use. What's going on now that I think is massive as well is showing Ripple's belief in XRP and honestly everything that Ripple is doing and partnering with and what they're going to be worth, because there is a buyback. It's not necessarily XRP, but it is the shares of Ripple that they sold to early investors and kind of just raised money early on, that I feel as though they're kind of expressing that it will be worth more, and if they do it now, it takes back kind of their leverage of what they can have later, right? If it's worth 100 billion or 200 billion or $1 trillion in valuation, that's where now whoever owns that is gonna be at a much better spot than where they were, right? No matter what you paid for it at that moment. So anyways, I want to talk to you about this news, this big news, this breaking news. It has happened a couple of days ago, but it's something that crossed my desk more recently, so it's definitely breaking to me, but also people have not made a big deal about what this could mean. So if you could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. If you check out my link for BTCC, I have a link down below where you can sign up, deposit. You'll get a 10% deposit bonus on your first time deposit. Extra bonuses up to $10,055. Enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. Trade up to a 500x leverage, all with no VPN and no KYC that is required. And there's also a giveaway going on. So if you sign up, deposit, and trade any amount during the month of March, you will be entered to win this giveaway. 2 winners are selected to win 375 USDT, which is a total of 750 USDT that they're giving away. So feel free to check it out. It's a great platform. I've been using it for some time and for over a year, and it's been great. Now, XRP, let's get back into that. XRP currently stands at $1.50. It is up quite a bit today, up about 6%. We're seeing it at a $92 billion market cap. Great to see it above 150 again instead of being at 140 or 130. We're looking at $3.5 billion worth of volume, which is a 143% increase over the last 24 hours. A fully diluted value of $150 billion. We have seen it surpass that point as well. Over 500,000 holders, 519,000 holders at the moment, and 61 billion coins of circulating supply. Now, the big news doesn't come from just XRP itself, or really have anything to do with XRP at the moment. Maybe bits and pieces and things here and there, but it's not necessarily referred to or implied that XRP is at the forefront of this news, right? So if we look at this, we have a post that talks about Ripple. Ripple launches a $750 million share buyback. Implied valuation reached $50 billion. Blockchain payments company Ripple, closely associated with XRP Ledger, has launched a $750 million share buyback program that values the firm at approximately $50 billion, according to sources familiar with the transaction. The tender offer, expected to run through April 2026, will allow Ripple to repurchase shares from employees and early investors. The valuation represents a significant increase from the company's $40 billion valuation in November, when Ripple raised $500 million from investors, including affiliates, Forest Investment Group, Citadel, and so on and so forth. Ripple is a major contributor to XRP Ledger, a blockchain infrastructure designed to enable near-instant cross-border payments and settlements for banks and financial institutions across its ecosystem. The company reports having processed more than 100 billion transactions. The company has also accelerated expansion through strategic acquisitions, including a 1.5 billion or 1.25 billion dollar purchase of prime brokerage Hidden Road and a $1 billion acquisition of treasury management platform G Treasury. Ripple additionally issues a ROUSD stablecoin currently valued at $1.5 billion through its custody division. The implied valuation represents roughly 25% growth since November fundraising, despite a broader crypto market downturn, where Bitcoin and XRP have declined between 30 and 40% over the same period. So even though we're seeing this downturn, usually the downturns is when a lot of the buys should happen, when you should see what you believe in, you decide to show what you believe in, if that makes sense. So if I'm seeing something that's down quite a bit, but I know that it has potential, like an XRP, I'm going to buy into that and buy into it heavy because I want to own that at a massive scale later on. Seeing this is showing that Ripple believes in its value, right? Buying back and showing that, you're buying at a $50 billion valuation instead of when you sold at or when you tried to fundraise at a $40 billion valuation. You're seeing what can be and what will be because of all of the different connections and all of the different pieces. So while you sit back and go, oh, well, this may not, be connected with XRP at all, it is, right? Ripple created XRP. XRP is a huge part of Ripple and the success that it will have, right? So thinking that that's not the case, it definitely is the case that XRP already is worth, as we saw, $92 billion and will be worth way more than that. My thought is more than multiple trillions of dollars in the end. So seeing that when Ripple decides to actually, go public and, what the value on that company will be, it's just going to be mind blowing for a lot of people. The company versus, the blockchain versus, XRP and the different, partnerships and the value of the partnerships itself. This is going to be huge. It's going to be massive, in my opinion, right? I'm not saying that it's 100% that that's the case. It's just looking more and more that all of these things are lining up for XRP to be huge, for Ripple to be huge. I can't wait to buy into everything that XRP is involved into, that any connection that we have there. I really just want to buy and hold and believe in all of the things that are associated with that. So anyways, I think this is big news. I want to know what you guys think. Do you think this is nothing, or do you think this actually has a big piece in the success of Ripple and of the XRP ledger? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for BTCC, for Twitter, for Patreon, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.